It's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Home Bargains shopping haul for you, and it's big. I mean, this bag full big. So let's just get straight into it. So I went in there to get one thing. Let me show you. I've put everything on my desk. I went in to get these because these sell in Tesco's for $2.59, and I know I can get them at Home Bargains for $1.50. So I got 3 packets of those. Just putting everything into the big bag. I also picked up 4 packets of these. I usually pay £1 for these in my local shop for 10 sachets, and these ones are 79p for 12. Same brand, exactly the same thing. I also got some golden syrup because, you know, I didn't have any. That was also a good price. I picked up a little pack of these. Even though I've tried to really stay away from plastic containers, Alex has started taking packed lunches to school, so these are really handy. And these, for these 3, was 79p. And I know for a fact that I used to have the same ones from Poundland, and they were 3 for £1. So Poundland is not always the cheapest. I picked up 2 bars of soap. We use bars of soap in our upstairs bathroom, so Dove is my favourite, so there you go. I saw this and I thought I would give it a try. Sorry, the shading, there you go, body wash, and it's actually watermelon and rose aroma. It smells lush, just smells really, really good. I picked that up for £1. I also got some shampoo. This was 99p. And it has like that fancy packaging. I forget the name of the well-known brand. If I remember, I'll put it down here. But yeah, this is Creme de Coconut and Keratin. shampoo, and it's supposed to hydrate, nourish, indulgence. Moisturizing shampoo. I like that. It smells really coconutty. I can't wait to try that. The other thing I got were these stock pot. I got 2 vegetable. There's the 2 vegetable ones. There's 4 in each. And I also got, oh yes, some 2 chicken ones. Oh, whoops. And these were 79p. Yes, so they can go for a lot more in Tesco's or other supermarkets. The other thing is, summer is just around the corner, well, ish, spring anyway. And I know that Alex's school will need him to have some sun cream. And the kids are supposed to put them on, to put it on themselves, which, you know, Alex is not even 5. You know, so I was really pleased to find this Calypso brand. And it's a roll-on. So hopefully he'll just put a bit on and then he can rub it without having to squeeze and tubes of lotion or anything like that. Or even the pumps, he can find that quite hard work. So that was $1.79. I think that is pretty damn good. And I've heard good things about the brand Calypso. I also got some Sanex deodorant. This is my favourite. It can go for up to £2 and they were 99p, so I got 2. I have never in my life tried this, but I've seen it so many times in different YouTube videos that I just thought I would try it. It's nacho cheese, so I actually need to read the instructions on what to do with it. Do you just dip or do you pour it over? To dip, that's perfect with nachos. Yum. Okay, I'll let you guys know. I'm just putting everything into the big bag so it's out of the way already. I also got my favourite, without shadow of a doubt, this is now the 3rd time I've bought it. This is probably my favourite brand and my favourite way of applying it. It comes in a little jar and it's more of a mousse instead of drippy mess. So it works really well for me. Really like that. That was $3.99, which again, awesome price. Now, more boring stuff. I picked up some packet rice. Paul really likes to have these with his lunches and they're quick and easy. And they were 49p each. One is spicy Mexican, the other one is egg fried. What else? Some balm tissues, they are my favourite. Also, Alex has been asking for these for ages, so I saw them for 99p. They're just some goggles. They're actually Spider-Man, which is a bonus because he does like his superheroes. And I might give him this for Easter because I don't like just doing sweets and chocolate in the Easter egg hunt that we have in the garden for him. Or I might keep it and add it to his birthday present, which is also next month. He also really likes fruit snacks, these little gummies, and I saw these for 79p and I pay $1.95 for something very similar from Tesco's. So if he likes these, that'll be another reason for me to go into Home Bargains every month. 2 of those. Picked up a pack of baby wipes. We have cut down on our baby wipes usage tremendously. I was finding that Alex gets really dry skin around his mouth where I clean it. So when we're at home, I just use a face cloth to clean his mouth, but I like having some from when we're out and about. So I went for something that's supposed to be for sensitive skin. I mean, it says as gentle as water with instant moisturizing care suitable for newborns. So 99p that was. Did I say that? What else? I'm trying to do the boring stuff first, and it cannot get more boring than dishwasher tablets. $4.99 for 68. I thought that was a really good price from home bargains again, and it's a good brand. Picked up this for the Easter egg hunt. You know, they're just some little Haribos, and they will be good to give to friends, you know, like little kids that come over during Easter time. I want to say that was 99p as well. Okay. Alex has been talking about Pinocchio, and he doesn't actually have that story. So I saw it there for $1.79, and I thought, yep, I'm going to take that. And I was thinking either keep that for Easter or for his birthday as well. And I know in the back it says that they have other stories. They have Dumbo, Toy Story, Zootropolis, Cinderella, excuse me, Cinderella and Friends, Up, and the Three Little Pigs. So I really like the way it looks as well. It's got that classical look, and the illustrations look quite cute. So I also picked up these. These are decorative stones. There has been a few times where I thought, oh, I could do with some of those stones, and I've not had them. So right now I can't remember why I want them, but I know that I do. So I just picked up a bag. I want to say that was like 99p as well, like pretty cheap. What else? Oh, picked up these cute little carrot decorations. I thought they would look really cute around the house, and they were 59p or 79p. So really sweet. Also picked up these Daffodil Arrangement, if you wish, for $1.29, I think it was. I thought it looked really cute. And their flowers are much better than the Poundland ones. And I mean, I've never seen something like that in Poundland. You know, sure, it was just over £1, but I quite like it. I think it's quite springy and cute. Okay. So then I also saw these little lambs. Look how cute. And I thought, again, for spring, you know, I can dot them around somewhere. And if nothing else, Alex will love them. Okay, so then I stocked up on cards. Yeah, I picked up a few random ones just to have. I have a box with all my cards that says, Happy birthday to you. I thought that was really sweet, and that was really cheap. I can't see the price on it, but I want to say they are really, really cheap. Some of them have the price. I saw this one, Happy Birthday, for 29p. I mean, if you go to Poundland, you can get 2 for £1, so that would have been 50p. You cannot go wrong with that. For 49p, I picked up this birthday boy. Alex has loads of birthday parties, and, you know. Also, it's my husband's birthday this week. So I picked him up this one that says, Happy Birthday, Best Dad. And that was 99p. And it's quite a big card. I mean, this is the normal sized card. So not bad. And I also got him a To the Best Husband Ever, Happy Birthday. Thought that was really sweet. Also 99p. And did I show you this one? Happy Birthday to You, 49p. Brilliant. And then finally, oh no, got one more boring thing, but also very exciting. Some cleaning products. It's basically mold and mildew blaster. My bathroom gets in some little corners, gets a little bit of mold when the windows have not been open for very long. You know what I mean. And I've heard awesome things about this brand. You can get this brand in Poundland as well. Okay. And then it is Mother's Day this weekend. I didn't get anything for myself. I'm going to let Paul do that. But I did get something for Paul's mum. In Portugal, we don't celebrate Mother's Day right now. We celebrate it in December. So this is for my mother-in-law. I saw this. It says, Beautiful Mum. I thought this was so cute. Look how adorable it is. And my mother-in-law loves her tea, so I know she'll enjoy this. I'm trying to think how much that was. I'll put the value just here so you guys know, but I thought that was really sweet. I also got her this photo frame, and I'll probably put a picture of Alex in there. I know she'll love that. It is actually glass. And again, I'll put the price underneath for you guys. There you go. It's quite sweet. She likes like this kind of print floral stuff. And then I also got her this notebook, and it says, Mum always knows the right words to say. And it's a little notebook. I know she'll love that. And finally, I just got her the bag to go with it. It just says, just for you. And I can see that the bag was 49p. They had loads of bags for that price. Really, really good quality and really cute. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.